You can drive over a freshly repaired pothole with cold lay tarmac after a few hours for light traffic, but waiting 24 hours is safest to minimize downtime and risk of damage. Cold lay tarmac binds by solvent evaporation and compaction rather than heat activation, so proper compaction at installation is essential for early strength. Use a hand tamper or steel plate compactor and apply firm, even passes until the patch no longer moves under pressure. For thin patches under 1 inch, compact more frequently in small increments to avoid hollow spots, and feather edges into the existing pavement to reduce water ingress and edge failure. Ambient temperature and humidity matter because colder or wetter conditions slow solvent evaporation. So if temperatures are low or it is damp, add extra compaction time and extend the wait before traffic. Manufacturer labels often give a recommended cure window, so read and follow those specifics and keep a small sample of the product packaging on site for reference. Avoid letting heavy vehicles pass until the tarmac has gained full stiffness, which usually takes longer than the initial set time and can be influenced by traffic loading and base condition. If you must restore traffic flow quickly, restrict use to light passenger vehicles and monitor the patch for settlement or raveling for the first 72 hours. Common mistakes include driving heavy vehicles over the patch too soon, which can depress or displace the material. Prevent this by cordoning the area and using temporary signage to limit axle loads. Another issue is inadequate compaction that leads to early failure and water infiltration. Fix this by compacting in layers, using the correct equipment, and checking for bounce or movement under a boot press. A third concern is installing in cold or wet conditions without adjustment, which slows cure and causes poor bonding. Delay work when rain is imminent, or increase compaction efforts and extend the traffic embargo when conditions are adverse. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors, and contractors find work by connecting people who need projects with those offering services. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips and ask practical questions about jobs like pothole repairs.